A decade ago, Warren Buffett made a statement that would become remarkable. He said that he paid a lower tax rate than his secretary because of the many loopholes and deductions available to the rich. His assertion generated a discussion regarding the fairness of the tax system. In the end, experts agreed that regardless of Buffett's individual position, most rich Americans did not pay a lower tax rate than the middle class. PolitiFact, a fact-checking organization, inquired, "Is it the norm?" No. It's time for an update. It's now the standard. According to recently disclosed statistics, the 400 richest Americans paid a lower overall tax rate, including federal, state, and local taxes, than any other income category last year for the first time on record. Since 2014, a number of papers have shown how strong businesses and super-rich people are taking advantage of a rigged global system to avoid paying their fair share of taxes. And it is the world's poorest people who bear the brunt of the consequences. Our planet is not lacking in wealth. Over the last 30 years, the global economy has almost quadrupled in size. Such enormous economic disparity is being fostered by the tax evasion and avoidance pandemic on an unparalleled scale. While millions of people around the world live in poverty, rich people and corporations continue to avoid paying taxes by hiding in tax havens. This makes it hard for the poorest countries to provide basic services. Tax havens are crucial to this system. They enable enormous amounts of money to move untaxed and unnoticed, keeping tax officials and regulators at bay. The winners. The great winners are those at the top, wealthy people and multinational corporations who utilize their power and influence to further their own interests financially and take advantage of the workings of the economy. The losers. The tax is a nightmare for the poor. Every year, corporate tax evasion costs impoverished nations at least $100 billion. Americans earning less than 5 figures pay an effective payroll tax rate of 14.1%, while those earning 7 figures or more pay just 1.9%. Governments must either cut down on these services or raise taxes on everyone else to make up the difference. Both approaches result in the poorest people losing out and the inequality gap widening. This worldwide tax dodging model is suffocating welfare governments in the developed world.